Alright, I just finished frying these chicken wings. They are drumettes. I have to cut them up into drumettes. And I use my Urban Soul Chef's seasoning blend. Go to my website, check out my selection, urbansoulkitchen.com. And I have some ranch that I made to go on here. Let me try this, see what this... Well, I need a spoon. Hold on, let me get a spoon. Didn't look too good. Let me get a spoon and drizzle them on here. A ranch. I'm my video man and I'm my cook as well. Doing it all. Alright. Let's see. Fried chicken with ranch sauce on it.